he can't see me that I'm in the car, so he's not going to jump in the water. There's a turtle over in the middle of the camera. If I were to even think about getting out of the car, he would dive in the water, so I secretly snuck up on him. Move just a little bit, and I'll see if there's any of the other turtles. Yep. See, this is up high enough. Whoa. Yep, there's the other one at the bottom. And then there's one, another one. This thing does come in handy. Oh, the big one dived into the water. But there's one at the end of the log. So there's two. Okay. Got what I wanted.